Download the PC Health Check app from Microsoft website and let's install it. Click install. Let's start it. So from here they say check Windows 11. I check now. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. Okay, let's fix it. We are going to download Windows 10 ISO and Windows 11 ISO. Let's do it. Go to Microsoft.com, software, new software, download, slash Windows 10. Okay. From here, click download tool. So now I'm going to install it. So from here, you click create an installation media. Click next. Next. Choose ISO file. Click next. I'm gonna save it here. So you can keep using your PC if you want. Almost there. Okay, it's done. Just click finish. It's gonna do some cleaning. Now we are going to download Windows 11. Same URL. I'm gonna remove 0, put 11, press enter. So you come down here, you click download Windows 11 and then you click download. Select your language. When I say English, click here. It's gonna be downloading Windows 11, so we are going to wait. Okay, as the Windows 11 downloading, what we can do here, we are going to extract the ISO image here. So it's done. What I'm going to do, I just want to create a folder here. I'm gonna call it Windows 10. So I'm gonna move all those files inside. Another folder. I'm gonna call it Windows 11. Now let it wait. Still downloading. Okay, now the download is done. It does take some time, so I'm gonna close it. This is the file. I'm gonna move it from here, paste it inside. I'm gonna extract it here. So let it finish extracting, and we go for the next step. Now it's done extracting. So those are the files. Let's go back to Windows 10. This is Windows 10. Click source, find install. This is the file here, install .esd. Right click, delete. Let's go back to Windows 11. Open Windows 11, open source. So we are going to find the file called install. This is the one, .wim. Right click, copy, go back to Windows 10, open the folder, go to source, and then paste it inside here. When it's done copying, we're gonna start doing the installation. So I'm gonna show you how to do the installation. So now I'm going to delete completely this Windows 11 folder. I'm gonna remove it from my recycle bin. Now open the Windows 10 folder and click on the setup to install. Remember, always you need to back up your computer before installing Windows. So from here, click change how Windows setup download update. Choose not right now. And then click next. Accept the term and condition. Now from here, you just click install, and it's gonna install Windows 11 Pro. It's gonna keep your personal files and app. Okay, so you click install. Let's click install. Now we are going to wait. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's restarting. Gonna have to wait. So you're gonna have to wait. As you can see, it's ready. It's ready. I didn't change my username. Same password. See? Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. But remember, it will take time. You need to be aware about that. Getting ready. As you can see, it's done. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.